So what wigs are we teaching you guys how to make? So one, we teach you how to make closure wigs, and we teach you how to use them on ventilated caps. Ventilated caps are very breathable. It helps your client and customers have air seeping through the wigs and stuff. We teach you how to make frontal wigs on ventilated caps. So an example, she's not styled yet, but she is 100% a frontal. So frontal goes ear all the way to the other ear, okay? And we teach you how to make it glueless, and so they won't require much or any maintenance, because frontals normally require a lot of maintenance due to the glue and keeping the glue down, but we teach you how to make glueless frontals. Lace fronts. So lace fronts wigs will be the wigs that a lot of like celebrity hairstylists and celebrities use. The really in general I call those in general wigs. So basically manufacturers make lace front wigs to basically fit just about anybody's head. You got to customize it to fit your head. We teach you how to make those wigs. And so with those, we use a lace front wig cap. Okay, these are specifically made for like the in general wig, so the anybody can wear. Your stylist just gotta customize it to your head. And most of the times these do require like glue and stuff, but we have a method to where you won't have to use glue. Then we teach you how to make closed top wigs. So closed top wigs are the wigs that has no lace. So it's the wigs that might have like, you see them on TV or around in wig stores. It's the wigs that has the circle in the middle. Those are closed top wigs. That requires no lace. We teach you how to make those wigs on a ventilated cap. And we teach you how to make U-part wigs. It comes like this. Often it comes like this, but we will be upgrading the U-part. So it's like the ventilated, but it comes with a string, and we teach you how to apply the wig combs so a person can insert it in their hair. It's different type of wig caps for the U-part wigs. We're using this one for now, and then soon we will be upgrading to the other versions. I found the lace front, so a lot of these wigs are not styled yet, but this is the wig that has like a lot of stretch to it. This is the lace front. It comes pretty big on people's head, and so the person has to go in, their hairstylist has to go in and customize it for them. But yeah, the lace front, so it comes like this. We teach you guys how to do ponytail extensions, okay? So it's different sizes to the ponytail extensions. I think this is a 4x4 type of extension for your ponytail. So we teach you how to sew on this and make that as well. And with our school, we're always evolving. We're always adding classes and different techniques, because our thing is we want to become a one-stop shop for you guys. We are not gatekeeping. A lot of companies do, not us. We are not here to gatekeep and keep all of the hair secrets and all of that stuff. Every technique that we learn it, we perfect it, we work on it, and then we come and teach you guys about it as well. And so everybody can eat, everybody can win in this hair industry. So if you like this content, go ahead and like and subscribe and follow so you can become a professional wig maker or hair extensionist and learn more about the hair and wig industry. Bye.